All right, I am so excited to be showing you this beautiful notebook here. This is created from Uniquely Made Journals. This is a quarterly notebook. This is what the front looks like. This is what our cover looks like. Here's our name. So cool. All right, so this beautiful notebook is for any boss babes or anyone in direct sales. I am in direct sales. I'm a local Avon representative. So I wanted to create something that would help me build the business that I want to see for me. And it comes very standard. It says the ultimate boss babe this journal belongs to. This is one of the landing pages. You can actually color these pages. I'm excited. It says enjoy every moment. It says boss babe information. It has your name, account number, address, phone number, email, and then it has contact us. This is your upline contact, your account executive, customer service, direct sales manager, or direct manager or direct sales manager. I know my account executive. I know customer service, and it depends on what market you're in. So I think Mary Kay has a district manager. So this goes for everybody. Here's a contact list, and this is quarterly. So here's your contact list. Let me show you what one of them looks like. It says name, address, cell, work, home address. So you'll have that information. I will be updating this particular book, but I will get into details of that later. And there is a coloring page, because I know for me, especially when it gets stressful around fourth quarter or first quarter, I like to doodle and draw. So I thought a beautiful mental health or stress reliever would be a coloring page. There's coloring pages throughout this. This is a monthly, weekly planner. So in this one, it has your monthly goals, your monthly due, and important notes. Also a goal action planner. What is your goal that you want to accomplish this month? What date did you start it? What date does it due? Any obstacles you face, any important notes, and any actions you will take to reach this particular goal. I love that I added the encouragement. So it says step out your comfort zone, and there's tons and tons more. Now, here is going into the weekly part. So you have the weekly planner. It has your weekly goals, your weekly to-do, your weekly achievement, and your weekly notes. And over here is your sales tracker. So your sales tracker will be what items you sold, at what price, how many, and then how much did you profit from it. This right here is good for vending events. So if you are a person like me who does vending events or fundraisers or anything like that, you can track all of your sales for the week, how much, how many, and how much you profited from selling that product. So if you're like me, we sell a lot of roll-on deodorant. So I would put haiku roll-on, the price I sold it for, how many I sold, and how many of the profit I would get. Or if you're doing a fundraiser, this will be a great tracker for your fundraiser. So you will know which business our organization has sold, the price that you sold it for, how many, and what the profit is. It's a great tracker. I'm loving it. Another one is a blank order form, and this is included in every week. So you have an order form, the date, there's the customer's name, email, phone number, address, the item number, the description of the item, the quantity, price, discount if you gave any, and the total. And then it has the payment method, account number, shipping, tracking, shipped, sub, tax, shipping fees, discounts, and totaled out. We included this in every single one of our quarterly books in the week. So if you do have a customer that needs to get an order form, or it's readily here and available for you, if you are somewhere where you need to copy it or print it out, here it is right here. Here is I call it a standard order form. We do have note sections, and in each week there are 4 pages of notes. So they are, I believe this is college-wide, because there is a space down here that is greater than the others. So I believe it is a college-wide. Let me see. No, this is just college ruled. So it's college ruled. So you get front to back. And then there's that. And this starts your new week. So as you see the notes end, know that a new week follows. And then it goes on from there. So we're going to skip through weeks. And there are 4 weeks in each month. Now, if there are months that have more, we will accommodate that soon, and a new book. Of course, a new coloring page because it starts the new month and then it continues. There's your encouragement. There's your weekly, your monthly planner, your monthly goal action planner, then your encouragement, and then of course it starts off with your month. Now in the back here, I added a nifty feature. Let me go to the back. So in the back of this planner, all right, we added these beautiful inventory sheets. Now, I love a good inventory sheet, and I keep plenty of them around when I'm doing inventory. So it has inventory, the name of the product, how many you have on hand, and when is it goodbye. I love that because this helps me at a glance tell my customers what I have in stock, how many I have in stock, and when the date I can sell them by are the best before date. So if because I'm a person who collects plenty of Bug Guard because I have several fundraisers that I'm doing. So it'll be Bug Guard with SPF, how many I have, and when is it goodbye. SPF, Bug Guard, sunscreen, how many I have, when is it goodbye. This is perfect. And we included, let me see, I think there's 8 sheets. Let me see, 1, 2, and there's a little checklist here at the bottom that I added that you can do for yourself. Like if you had one that was just like I have a yard sign or something, and I can say, hey, I have a yard sign inventory, this many, and when's it goodbye. And then there's, I think, 8 sheets of those. So, and it comes to the end of your page. Let's see. Yep, there are 8 inventory sheets. And that is the rundown of the Boss Babe Quarterly Notebook. Now, I will be doing different covers, and different pages inside the Quarterly Notebook, but this is just a beautiful overview of what the Boss Babe Quarterly Notebook looks like by Uniquely Made Journals. I'm loving this cover. I'm loving the cover. So thank you all so much for watching this beautiful walkthrough of our quarterly notebook. If you would like to purchase this, I will of course leave the link in the description from to Amazon for this, and I hope that you enjoyed as much as I did. And as always, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.